Alright, so today we're putting a stereo in the boat. We're putting in Sony, what is this, DXS M5511BT. Not a bad little unit. So we're gonna put it in right up there. I'm gonna cut this hole a little bit bigger. And then we got some speakers up front, and then we got speakers back there. So we're gonna plug this all in and see how she sounds. Let you know. Now, one thing I do like about these Bluetooth decks, especially in boats, is they don't have a CD player in them, so they make them really narrow. Well, yeah, I guess narrow. And it'll fit right in there like that, but I gotta do some cutting. Just like that. All right, all installed. I'm gonna take this panel out and get behind that. Finding the speaker wires that run out there. Found them, but what a nightmare. Yeah, I wonder if we got some radio.
Layer of market.
Oh, bad looking.
Just to win, I think that the truth is gonna show. I don't know why I couldn't just stay on. I knew you couldn't stand up being near me when my face don't see.
Good install.
Cause it's a little